Republic of Benin Interior Minister ALASSANE SEIDOU says security forces have crushed an attempted military takeover in Benin, restoring order just hours after rebel soldiers appeared on state television claiming to have ousted President PATRICE TALON. SEIDOU announced that the perpetrators had been subdued and normalcy reinstated, urging citizens to remain calm as investigations continue. The dramatic attempt unfolded earlier when a group of officers identifying themselves as the Military Committee for REFOUNDATION declared the dissolution of state institutions. They named Lieutenant Colonel PASCAL TIGRI as head of a new ruling council and ordered the closure of national borders, promising to usher in a truly new era. The failed coup comes at a politically sensitive moment for Benin. Talon was expected to step down ahead of next year's presidential election, where ruling party favorite and former finance minister ROMUALD WADAGNI was poised to run. Tensions have been rising since lawmakers extended the presidential term from 5 to 7 years, adding to the region's climate of instability following a string of coups in neighboring countries.